it's been a while, but we are back. Got stuck in Sacramento for like 2 weeks and that sucks. So we came out to the Bay. We're in Oakland right now, waiting on ramen shops to open. For some reason they close at the same time, every one of them. From Oakland to San Francisco, every single one of them is closed right now. And we decided to come to the Umami Cafe. They had this cool thing called a Miso Latte. No idea what it was, but it said miso and it said latte, so I'm gonna try it out. Grab the menu. There's actually a lot of other cool stuff on here. We'll see if maybe some of those things sound cool. If anything's good enough to show you guys, we'll show you guys that. I'm hungry. All the ramen shops are closed, so let's try something here. Aside from the miso latte, they have something here called a juke. It says it's porridge though. Sweet and savory topping. So there's a sweet one and a savory one. So every time I've had like porridge or oatmeal before, it's like bland. Most exciting it's gotten is like brown sugar. They have freaking jars of kimchi, gallons of kimchi. There's all kinds of cool stuff on here. Umami.
Alright, thank you.
Okay guys, so I got the miso latte. It's really hot. It smells really good though. Looks like there's red pepper on it and some nori flakes. I don't know. It smells wonderful though. I keep thinking about like a cold winter day. Oh. Ooh. Really creamy. It is spicy. It's not hot though. It's not like burn your mouth spicy. Nice spicy. Peppery, it's good miso. A lot of other flavors in it. The miso kind of can be boring sometimes. This one's a lot more dynamic. It's smooth. It's like cream of miso. I recommend it. If you guys are anywhere local to this area, the miso latte is definitely worth checking out. Oh my God, Campbell's cream with miso. You definitely expect your lattes to be sweet, and this is on the savory side, so it's different, it's good. So now is the savory juke, that's what it's called, right? Juke. They made it look really good. There's some greens in it, seeds, like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, pecans in here, almond in there, and some mushrooms. That egg looks so enticing, look at that, right in the middle. I want to bust into it and watch it just ooze over everything. Look at it. You can see it. It wants to. Regular brown rice porridge underneath. Everything else on top is making the flavors though. It's very nutty, healthy. I feel like you're doing something good by eating it. This is like a guiltless meal. It's filling. Porridge, everything's gonna be like really stay with you for a while, but there's so many like vitamins and minerals and stuff in all of this. And then your nuts, your eggs, greens, mushrooms. I like it. It tastes good. This is a good like ramen pregame. I can feel good about this, and then I can get on ramen later. This is actually really good. So I feel like my Japanese grandma just made me porridge. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. We're all done. That bowl was amazing. The more that I got into it and dug into it, all those flavors kind of meshed together. It was really good. It's sad that we're not trying more stuff. The menu is really extensive. They have all kinds of different infused options. They have bowls. They have different kind of toasts. Just a lot of different interesting things. You're gonna come here, you're not gonna get anything that you're used to having. I think I'll be back. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed coming here to Umami Cafe. This is good stuff. I'm glad we had it. It was something that you can feel good about. Make sure you don't forget to hit like and subscribe on the bottom there. Subscribe to the channel. It keeps us going. Makes it more interesting, so I don't feel like I'm talking to nobody. So make sure you're doing that. Like and subscribe. Both. We're counting on you.